Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Super Easy Math. Today's math problem of the day says a family takes a road trip and drives for all of Monday. They spend Monday night in a motel, drive for Tuesday morning, and then spend Tuesday afternoon at a beach before driving further for a few more hours. They spend Tuesday night at another motel. Sketch a graph to show their distance from home over time. So first of all, I'm going to set up my graph. I got an x-axis and a y-axis. I'm going to call this distance down here, so how far they go, and I'm going to call this one time. So we're going to start here. This is like you're at home. You haven't left anywhere. That's why there's no distance. You haven't gone anywhere. And the time is at 0 because you don't start the time counting until you actually get in the car and start going. So now I need to go back through this problem line by line to make sure I'm incorporating each of these events. It says a family takes a road trip and drives for all of Monday. Okay, so here's Monday, they got this far, okay? And it doesn't matter if you don't have the numbers on here. You can just pretend this could be representing 300 miles, okay? They got 300 miles and they spend Monday night at a motel. Well, where do you think they're gonna go distance-wise when they're just sleeping in a hotel room? So that means at this point, I need to draw that line going straight up. That means the distance is at the same place. I'm still at the 300-mile mark from home. But as far as time, it has changed. So I need to represent it by drawing the line going up, okay? Now it says they're going to drive for Tuesday morning and spend Tuesday afternoon at a beach. So for Tuesday, they're going to drive. And then when they're at the beach, that's the same place again, the same situation as being at the hotel. So we're going to go straight up. They haven't gone any miles further. They're just in one spot. And then it says after the beach, they drive further for a few more hours. So that means we're going to go more on an angle. And some of my graph is coming off over here. That's fine. And then it says they spend Tuesday night at another motel. So we're going to go straight again. So your graph is going to have some angles and it's going to have some flat spots. And the flat spots need to be in relationship to time. The reason I say that is because if you had chosen to draw your chart with time at the bottom and distance over here, it would have looked like this. Here, flat, here, flat, here, flat. So the flat is in relationship to distance, but it still moves across time. So depends on where you had your distance or your time. That's what would have really mattered and how your graph shows up. Here's tomorrow's math problem of the day. See if you can solve it before I do, but don't forget to head over to Super Easy Math where you can get my top 5 math tips to make learning math easy.